Oh, hey guys, Randy here, your Monetize Your Life guy. And in this video, I want to show you how you can put yourself on YouTube and then add your links so that you could possibly make a couple of bucks. Okay, so here is a brand new video. I did it actually on my phone because I was on the front porch taking a break and I thought, well, might as well do a video. So here it is. So you're adding some of the video details. Now, at first, when you do something like that on your phone and you send it to YouTube, it's just going to make it unlisted. So now you want to go back in and you want to start putting in some of your details, right? Get a title. I'll probably change this out, obviously. But in this particular case, here's what I'm doing. I'm putting in the description field. So this is where you're going to start adding your links so you can potentially make some cash, all right? Here it is. So I'm going to go ahead get more fear-busting techniques here. And then I'm going to put in where here is. In this particular case, I'm going to put in my Gumroad account, right? HTTPS, and it is, let's see, gumroad.com/Randy Otterbridge. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple other things. All right, so that's one of the first things because that one shows up very quickly when people go to the video itself. So you want to maybe go to your main selling platform, if you will. All right, so you can use your website if you want to do that. That is very, very fine. You can do something like that. And I got a couple of more that that I actually roll out for you. If you want to know more, just hit me up, and then I'll walk you through some other stuff. So that's one. Let's go to another one now. One of the other things in this video, I'm showing a couple of things. I'm showing a particular TV that I'm using. Okay, so. And I'm showing I got a laptop there and all that kind of stuff. But what you want to do is now maybe go to Amazon or go to Walmart or go to Best Buy if you are an affiliate for those folks. And then now put in those links in the description field. Okay, let me show you one that I can go to. Let me, this is the mic that I'm using right here. Okay, so now in your account, in your actual account, you should be able to now add in some of these links. Okay, I don't see it real quick. Where'd it go? Okay, it's going to be at the top a little bit probably, right? Let's go up a little bit. All right, so you can, and then get your link here. I'm going to show this one right here. If I clicked on this, I can start going, hey, what do I want to do with this? I like this. This is 59 bucks. It's one of the things that is used actually in the video. All right, so this one is used in the video, and let's see, I'm already signed in. Oh, I didn't sign in. Oh, you know what? This is the wrong account. Let's go over to the other one. All right, okay, there you go. So now you can see where you can get your links. I probably should close this one out. I don't get confused. All right, so now you can get your link. So I'm going to go ahead and get the link here. All right, it already has all my information in there as to you know who I am. It has my Amazon affiliate link opportunity right there. So you can do something like this. Let's grab the link. You know, you can do it a couple of ways. You can go ahead and do it like that, Control C or Command C if you're on the Mac. Now go back over here, and then you can say mic in background or something like that. I think they can see the mic. You know what? They might not be able to see the mic. I can say mic used. Right, and then you can literally put in your link. You see how I did that? Now that's going to show up in your description field. Now you can do some other things. Let's say, for example, I want to show that TV. So let's see if we can find that TV. All right, it wasn't a super expensive TV, but I talk about how you're going to use every single thing in your arsenal. All right, so this is the on, and it is the on Roku TV. On Roku TV. Okay, so now this is the one we used in the video. I'm doing the video, so here it is. It's not, like I said, it's not super expensive, but what I do is I use it as a monitor as well. All right, so let's see if I can find it. See if I can find it. Find it. It doesn't look like it's. Maybe that's it. Oh, that's TCL. Hisense, Roku. Okay, there it is. Yep, it's this one right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on that. Oh, that's a sponsored one. So maybe See what we can come up with. All right. Yeah. Yep, there it is. So let's go ahead and get the link for that. Yep, we're going to go ahead and get the link, and we're going to then put that link into your description field as well. Let's see if it gets me the link. Come on. I'm out on the porch, so I am not really close to... Oh, there it is. All right, let's give me that link. All right, so, oops, I guess I could hit Control C there, Control C. Now, we're going to go back over here. This is the great part. This is how you're going to be earning. TV used in video. And I put this up pretty quickly, pretty close, so that people can see this right away. They might just come on, and some people may just want to literally know what you use. I've had that happen when I've used particular mics, other mics. TV used in video. And these are just giving you an opportunity to earn some extra cash. Now, you know, no guarantees that you will earn cash. Some people do, some people don't. All right, that's my disclaimer. So, but here's just an opportunity. This is what you're doing when you are monetizing your life. And I talk about this in my Monetize Your Life program and the Monetize Your Life system. It is about being able to use every single thing that you got. Okay, let's go into this. So we got the Gumroad, we got that. Now the actual course that I was looking at on the screen actually has its own URL as well. But you know what? I think this is enough. We don't want to have too many in there. People might get confused, too many choices. So you now are then going to go into what this video is about. What this video is about is, you know, saying that you are the business. And I just go in and say, hey, look, because you are the business, you take you wherever you go. As a result. Right? Something like that. Let's see if I got that spelled right. You can take wherever you go and can earn as a result. Right? Now, this video, and then I go into, hey, this video speaks to, you know, you can fill this thing with keywords if you want to. It's up to you. But one of the main things I wanted to show you was how you're now going to get pieces of information in here that you can now, as a result of having done the video, now go out there and sell opportunities and things and products to people. Because again, what you're seeing oftentimes is, I do it all the time. When I look at somebody's video, I want to know exactly what they use. I want to know all the way down to the software. And if they just gave me the opportunity, guess what? I might click and go and get that software. I love doing this stuff, and I think it's not done enough. But when we are monetizing our life, everybody, we are doing all these kinds of things. I show you exactly how in the longer program, but I'm not going to put that link here. All right, so TV used in video, HTTP, this is one. Then I got my main Gumroads, go from fear to techniques. Okay, got that. Because you are in business, you take you wherever you go and can earn as a result. This video, you know, maybe inspires. Let's say inspires, right? Get started now. Let's go ahead and emphasize now. All right, now, again, what you could do right here is if you had your full program out, you could literally put that link in. That becomes the opportunity. I'm getting sales from, you know, they'll say advertising sales, book sales. I got books out there on Amazon, and it'll tell you where your money is coming from. So you've done that. Now you want to go ahead, and if you want to finish out the video, you can go ahead and finish out the video. We're going to go ahead and stop it right here. I just wanted to demonstrate and show you what you can do to begin to start making money from the videos that you're going to be doing, and you're going to be using YouTube as that mechanism. All right, guys, I hope this helped you just a little bit. If it didn't, send me a note. If it did, send me a note, and we'll talk again on the next video.